Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be showing off my movie mold Grandpa Part 2 bust and hands, or arms, and movie mold hammer. The bust was done up by Paint and Patron, and the hammer was done up by Monster Collectors on Etsy, however the hell you say it. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing video on this bad boy, go check it out. This is one of my favorite pieces. Very, very detailed. Paintwork is awesome. Hair work is awesome. It's overall a great piece. I mean, you can't get no better than that. It's like owning Grandpa's actual head and arms. Ken Everett, I believe, played Grandpa in Part 2. He has since passed away, unfortunately. It sucks because I would love to have had him sign this. I mean, if that ain't Grandpa, I don't know what is. Grandpa was the best killer there ever was. Get him, Grandpa. Get him, Grandpa. Hit him upside the head and let's go make some barbecue out of him. Yep, Grandpa was the best killer there ever was. Ever will be. Insane piece. This camera doesn't even pick up the details in the paint. It's all different kinds of vein work and spots and just nasty looking. Love the arms, nasty black nails. Sores on the mouth. Nasty looking. I mean, the attention to detail. I mean, just look at the sores. It even has pus on the inside. Painting's always a pleasure to deal with. Very, very talented. The hammer I've had for a while. If you guys want to go check the unboxing video out on that. Pretty cool. Movie mold. Show you guys inside of the hands. Turn Grandpa around a little bit. You guys can see the back. The hair work is insane. There's a plaque. All the information on it. Inside of the hands. Insane. And luckily for me, Peyton only made a couple of these. I got this one in a trade from him. Can't get no better than this, folks. Just can't get any better. But anyways, guys, just wanted to quick share that with you all. Thumb this video up if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. And we'll see you